Hello and welcome to All I Need to Know. In this video, I'm going to discuss, do we really need a dishwasher? Yes or no? Since I'm using dishwasher from past 1.5 years, so I want to share the benefits of using the dishwashers. Dishwashers are very much suitable for Indian cooking. Its powerful spray arms removes all the stubborn masala and oil stains which are very common in Indian vessels. With its high water pressure, it gives you a highly effective wash. In dishwasher, you can fit kadais, pots, cooker, pans along with plates and spoons. And also you can use stainless steel vessels, ceramic, glassware, unvarnished wood, sterling silver and plastic material which are made up of quality 5 plastic. With modern dishwasher, no pre-rinsing is required before you load them. Just you have to remove the extra food which are remaining on the plates and then you just load them into your dishwasher. Getting a reliable maid in a big city is very difficult. They take undeclared holidays due to which you will end up with a sink full of dirty dishes. With the dishwasher in home, there will be no waiting for maid. Dishwasher will be with you 24 bar 7. It gives you 100% quality of cleaning. You can quickly load everything into the dishwasher and clean them with the simple press of a button. Loading into a dishwasher takes maximum 10 to 15 minutes. Dishwasher works as programmed. You can program your dishwasher according to your need. If you have a less dishes, you can go for a smaller cycle. If you have more vessels with masala and oil stains, you can go for a bigger cycle. You can also set its temperature from 45 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius depending on how dirty your dishes are. You will also get a delay start option wherein you can set time when the dishwasher should turn on. In case of power off, dishwasher it continues washing from where it has left. Dishwasher will clean, dry and sterilize the utensil. Dishwasher uses hot water up to 70 degrees Celsius which kills germs by 99.9%, which gives you complete hygienic vessels. If you arrange lot of house parties and family gatherings where more cutleries are used, a dishwasher can most definitely clean faster than hand washing. Dishwasher will do the dirty work and saves your time and you will be having less housework. Compared to hand washing, using a dishwasher is a more hygienic way. If sponges are used to clean the vessels in hand washing, if they are not cleaned properly, then they will be hotbeds for common bacteria which causes food poisoning. But in a dishwasher, it uses hot water. So it will give you 100% clean and hygienic vessels. Modern dishwasher saves energy and water. Modern dishwashers are highly energy efficient and uses only 1 kilowatt of energy for each wash cycle. No water is wasted. As the dishwasher uses mechanism of light beam, it senses the level of swelling and the turbulence of water adjusts the water usage accordingly. This ensures an optimum utilization of water. Water used in an efficient dishwasher per cycle is 7 liter. If you wash your utensil by hand, the same amount of utensil will take 40 liter of water. The more dishes you wash by hand, the more water you will waste. So buying a efficient dishwasher will save your energy and water. So which will save your money. Due to this COVID pandemic, it's a best time to buy a dishwasher. you can stay safe in your home and avoid outside contact as much as possible. So, dishwasher will definitely help you to clean all your dishes and you can avoid hiring a maid to do this job for you. There are plenty of reasons to buy a dishwasher. If you are busy or have a large household, having a dishwasher is must. It is beneficial compared to washing the dishes by hand. It will save the water, time and energy. It gives germ-free and hygienic vessels. And with the modern dishwasher, now it is cost effective also. Dishwasher comes with the associated cost of dishwasher powder, rinse aid and salt which you have to use every month. Every month you have to clean the filter to avoid clogging and stink of the exit filter in the dishwasher. The cost of using dishwasher will be around 800 to 1200 rupees every month. It depends on the number of cycle you use. If you use one full load of cycle every day, the cost will be around 800 to 1200. Ultimately, there are overwhelming number of reasons for using a dishwasher which is more beneficial than hand washing. Make your life easier and put your energy efficient machine to work. You can now enjoy extra time reviving your hobbies. Thank you. If you have any doubts on dishwasher, you can post it in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe for the channel. Thank you.